Hi, my name is Monique Mahler, and I'm a third year at the Lindner College of Business studying real estate. If you're interested in shaping cities, investing in properties, or understanding how communities are built, the real estate major might be the perfect fit for you. Commercial real estate is a 4-year program that takes an interdisciplinary and entrepreneurial approach to the industry. You'll study not just real estate itself, but also the business foundations behind it, such as finance, marketing, and management, while also learning how economic and legal factors shape the places we live and work. The curriculum combines core business courses with specialized topics such as real estate finance, investment analysis, and development. What sets Lindner apart is you'll get real-world exposure through the Real Estate Center and the UC Real Estate Association. Our student organization, the UC Real Estate Association, schedules site tours, speaker events, case competitions, and trips to major cities like London, New York, Chicago, and Houston to gain insight into markets outside of Cincinnati. Through co-ops, networking events, and student organizations, you'll build connections and apply what you learn in professional settings before you even graduate. Graduates go on to careers in areas like development, property management, real estate finance, brokerage, and investment analysis fields that play a major role in shaping communities and economies. If you're driven, enjoy building meaningful relationships, and ready to make an impact, the real estate major at Lindner gives you the tools to turn that ambition into a successful career.